This video right here is some tips for free lighting. Just wanted to give y'all a few tips. It's 7 o'clock. I just missed golden hour. I was trying to come out and make a golden hour video, but it's almost perfect, man. You can come outside and you can get free lighting. I just missed golden hour, but it looks perfect out here. When you come out at the perfect time, you'll get better lighting than anything you can in your studio. Free lighting. Thank me later, man. Just go try it. I wanted to give y'all a video, a tour of my studio that I've been building, but the lighting's not right yet. I need to probably get one more light. When things go wrong, it's trying to tell you something. Go out and get some footage somewhere else. It's a little bonus video for y'all. I hope you like it. The boy Zane, 1111 Vids, and that's basically what it is. Just come outside, get free lighting, come around 7 o'clock in the morning, or when sun's going down, best time.
Cause everybody leaving, all that codeine, and I be lean. Keep a Glock on me and it be beaming. In a 4 and 8, I be beaming. I'ma keep a plate full for when I won't eat it. Put on for the fam, make sure that they gotta see it. Put it on the line for a die for